Welcome to the Mindbender, where science doesn't just answer questions, it twists them. And today's twist? What if your next decision isn't really yours? Are you truly free or just a puppet, wired by physics? Because quantum mechanics might have something to say about that. Let's dive into the quantum world. At this scale, reality doesn't follow the rules you're used to. In fact, it barely follows rules at all. There's something called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It says you can never know both the position and momentum of a particle with complete certainty. The more you know one, the less you know the other. Like reality's playing hide and seek with itself. This isn't just a measurement problem, it's fundamental. Reality itself seems to be built on uncertainty. Ever heard of the double slit experiment? You shoot particles, one at a time, through a barrier with two slits. They hit the screen on the other side and form a wave pattern, like they went through both slits at once. But the moment you observe them, the wave collapses, they choose a path, and the universe looks ordinary again. Your act of watching changes reality. Let that settle. For centuries, physics was ruled by determinism. According to Newton, if you knew the state of every atom, you could predict the future. Everything was cause and effect, even your thoughts. Free will, just a byproduct of a clockwork universe ticking away. Elegant, but lifeless. But then came quantum mechanics, and suddenly, cracks appeared in the cosmic clock. And in those cracks, something strange emerged. Uncertainty, ambiguity, randomness. At the deepest level of reality, events don't just happen. They could happen and only solidify once they're observed. But what if your brain isn't just a machine? Maybe it's just a quantum machine. Neurons firing, decisions forming, not from certainty, but from chaos sculpted by consciousness. Maybe your choices aren't illusions, maybe they're quantum collapses, unique, unreproducible, yours. Now, what does this mean for you? If quantum physics allows for true randomness, then maybe you're not bound to a pre-written script. Does randomness equal freedom? Or is it just another mask for chaos pretending to be a choice? Some philosophers suggest real free will isn't about being random, it's about being unpredictable, for the right reasons. Could quantum noise provide the canvas, and consciousness the brush? Scientists are just beginning to explore how quantum mechanics interacts with the mind. Some believe consciousness may even emerge from quantum processes. Others think the brain just rides the wave, never controlling it. But as AI advances, and neuroscience uncovers more of the brain's secrets, the question of free will becomes more than just philosophy. It becomes survival. So, do you choose your thoughts, or do they choose you? Are you a mind with freedom, or a machine dreaming of choice? In the end, quantum physics doesn't hand us answers. It hands us possibilities. And sometimes that's all we need. This is the Mindbender, where paradoxes aren't just problems, they're clues. Subscribe if you think the universe has more mysteries than we've imagined, because this is just the beginning.